In a bustling town divided by a deep river, the townsfolk decided they needed a bridge. But building a bridge wasn't just about laying stones, it was a journey, much like Application Lifecycle Management, or ALM. The town's leaders gathered to discuss their needs. "We need a bridge to connect the two sides of the river," said one. Architects drew plans, and the requirements were documented. The bridge must support carts, pedestrians, and withstand floods. This stage was like requirements gathering in ALM. Engineers created detailed blueprints, and construction began. Builders worked day and night, laying each stone with precision, following the plan. This mirrored design and development in ALM, where the application is created based on the requirements. Before the grand opening, townsfolk tested the bridge. Heavy carts, horse riders, and even storms were simulated. They wanted to ensure the bridge was strong and safe. This was the testing phase of ALM, ensuring the application met its standards. With great fanfare, the bridge opened. People cheered as they crossed safely, connecting the town. This was the deployment phase, where the application goes live for users. Years passed, and the bridge needed care. Repairs for wear and tear, adjustments for heavier carts, and updates to meet new needs. Engineers checked it regularly to keep it safe. This represented maintenance and support in ALM, ensuring the application remained functional and efficient. Eventually, the bridge became too old. A new one was needed, with better materials and modern design. The old bridge was retired with respect, its legacy inspiring the new project. This was the retirement phase, where an application is decommissioned and replaced. And so, the life of the bridge taught the townsfolk that every great creation has a life cycle: planned, built, tested, used, maintained, and eventually replaced, just like in application lifecycle management.